How to fix your notes are not syncing between your iPhone and your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how you can sync your notes between devices. Now the first thing you need to do is go and head over to your iPhone like this, and we're just going to bring up your iPhone settings. You can then click on your profile name at the top of the screen, and the first thing we need to do is make sure we're signed in to the same Apple account on both our iPhone and also iPad. So you can see here that I'm signed in to this Apple account, and I need to make sure this is the same account that I'm signed into on my iPad. You can then scroll down and click on iCloud. Next to Save to iCloud, click on See All, and then scroll down and click on the Notes. Now make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled. And you also need to make sure you have enough iCloud storage on your devices. So if you come back over to the previous window, you'll see Storage, and you just need to make sure you have enough storage space. Now, once you've done this on your iPhone, you can come over to your iPad, and we're also going to bring up the settings on our iPad as well. You can then click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side, and like I said, make sure this is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your iPhone. Now click on iCloud from the list of options, and under Save to iCloud, click on your Notes. Now also make sure Sync This iPad is turned on from here as well. And once you've done this, you can go and open up the Notes app on either your iPhone or your iPad. Now when you're creating notes to sync between devices, make sure you're viewing the notes under the iCloud section. So if you click on the icon in the top left-hand side, you can then click on All iCloud, and here are all of the notes that are synced between your devices. So anything you create in this folder here should sync between both your iPhone and also your iPad.